Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for that? In this video we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex EZONE 100L. Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G, 2022 tennis racket, lightweight graphite frame for power and control. The Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G, 2022 tennis racket is designed for players who want the perfect balance of power, comfort, and maneuverability in every swing. Crafted with advanced graphite materials, this racket delivers a solid yet responsive feel, making it ideal for a wide range of playing styles, from beginners looking to develop consistency to advanced players seeking speed and control. At 285 grams unstrung, the EZONE 100L offers a lighter weight compared to the standard EZONE 100, allowing for quicker handling and effortless swings. The 100 square in head size provides a generous sweet spot for clean contact and forgiveness, while the 27-inch length ensures excellent reach and leverage on serves and ground strokes. Featuring Yonex's signature isometric head shape, this racket increases the sweet spot by optimizing the string bed's vertical and horizontal intersections, giving you more confidence with off-center hits. The racket's design enhances comfort with reduced vibrations, ensuring smooth play even during long matches. Built for all skill levels, the EZONE 100L is a versatile option that works well for aggressive baseline rallies, net play, and powerful serves. Its 4 1/8 grip size ensures a secure and comfortable hold for a wide variety of players. Whether you're an intermediate player aiming to step up your game or an advanced competitor looking for speed and control in a lighter frame, the Yonex EZONE 100L, 285G, 2022 is your trusted partner on the court. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 110T. Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket, 10th gen, strung with 16G Babolat Sin Gut, 4 1/8 inches grip, white string. The Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th generation, is a premium tennis racket designed for players who demand explosive power, exceptional forgiveness, and ultimate comfort on the court. Featuring a 110 square in oversized head, this racket offers an expanded sweet spot that makes it easier to generate depth and precision, even on off-center shots. It's perfect for players of all skill levels who want to maximize performance without sacrificing control. Pre-strung with 16G Babolat Sin Gut at mid-range tension, the racket is ready to use right out of the box, providing a solid blend of durability, playability, and comfort. The lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver, while the 27.6-inch length delivers extra reach and leverage on serves and volleys, giving you more confidence in every stroke. Built with Babolat's cutting-edge technologies, the Pure Drive 110 combines FSI power string spacing for enhanced spin potential and Cortex Pure feel for vibration dampening and a more connected feel. The 4 1/8 inches grip size ensures a comfortable hold for a wide variety of players, allowing for precision handling and long-lasting comfort during extended matches. Celebrated as one of the most versatile rackets in Babolat's lineup, the Pure Drive 110 is ideal for players seeking power, forgiveness, and spin in a lightweight design. Whether you're an intermediate improving your game or an advanced player seeking effortless power, this racket will elevate your performance on every court. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, 4 3/8 inches grip, lightweight graphite frame for spin and power. The Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Generation tennis racket is built for players who want to unleash explosive spin and dominating power, just like Rafael Nadal. Designed with input from the legend himself, this racket is tailored to aggressive, baseline-dominant players who thrive on heavy topspin and relentless intensity. Weighing 289 grams unstrung, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen offers an ideal blend of maneuverability and stability, allowing players to swing fast while maintaining control on every shot. Its 100 square in head size delivers a forgiving sweet spot, while the 4 3/8 inches grip ensures a secure, comfortable hold for long rallies and high-intensity matches. Crafted entirely from high-quality graphite, the frame and shaft provide durability and responsiveness, giving you the confidence to hit with power and precision. Babolat's aerodynamic frame design enhances racket head speed, making it easier to generate massive topspin, while the FSI spin technology optimizes string spacing for better ball bite and control. This racket is designed for advanced players who want to dominate from the baseline, create aggressive angles, and dictate play with spin-heavy strokes. The vibrant Rafa-inspired cosmetics reflect the bold, high-energy style of Nadal's game, making it as visually striking as it is performance-driven. Whether you're competing at a high level or training to push your game further, the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is the perfect racket to channel the spirit of a champion and elevate your tennis performance. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98. Wilson Blade 98, 16x19, V9 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket, grip size 3, 4 3/8 inches, braided graphite and basalt frame. The Wilson Blade 98, 16x19, V9 Performance Tennis Racket is designed for advanced players seeking precision, control, and a connected feel on every shot. Trusted by top professionals, the Blade series continues to set the standard for players who dominate the game with aggressive baseline play and pinpoint accuracy. This model features a 16x19 string pattern, offering a perfect balance of spin potential and control, making it a versatile option for competitive players. The 98 square in head size provides a precise sweet spot, giving you confidence to take full swings while maintaining accuracy. At 305 grams unstrung, the Blade 98 delivers a stable and solid feel without compromising maneuverability. Constructed with braided graphite and basalt, the frame and shaft provide enhanced flexibility, feel, and vibration dampening for superior comfort. Wilson's Direct Connect technology reinforces the carbon fiber handle, improving torsional stability and increasing responsiveness with every shot. The 4 3/8 inches grip size 3, ensures a secure, comfortable hold for serious players, while the sleek V9 design combines performance-driven engineering with a bold, modern look. Perfect for aggressive baseliners and advanced competitors, the Wilson Blade 98, 16x19, V9 rewards players who demand control, stability, and feel in their racket. Whether you're competing in tournaments or refining your skills at a high level, this racket delivers the precision and performance you need to elevate your game. Number 5. Head 2022 Speed. Head 2022 Speed MP Tennis Racket, 4.5 inches grip, graphite 360 plus frame for speed, power and control. The Head 2022 Speed MP Tennis Racket is built for players who want a perfect blend of speed, control, and power in every swing. Part of Head's iconic Speed series, this racket is favored by athletes who value precision and versatility on the court, making it suitable for a wide range of skill levels. With a 4.5 inches grip size and weighing just 11.1 ounces unstrung, the Speed MP offers excellent maneuverability while maintaining stability for confident strokes from the baseline to the net. The 100 square in head size provides a generous sweet spot, ensuring forgiveness on off-center hits while still rewarding clean, aggressive play. Constructed with Graphene 360 Plus technology, this racket delivers enhanced flex and clean impact feel, combining Head's advanced frame engineering with spiral fibers for improved energy transfer and comfort. The result is a racket that generates effortless power without compromising control or touch. Designed for all skill levels, the Speed MP adapts to a variety of playing styles, whether you thrive on quick rallies, heavy ground strokes, or fast-paced net play. Its modern design not only performs at the highest level but also stands out with a sleek, performance-driven look. Ideal for competitive players and ambitious athletes alike, the Head 2022 Speed MP offers the precision, comfort, and speed needed to take your game to the next level. Step on the court with confidence and experience the racket trusted by professionals and rising stars worldwide.